Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to clean a wheel like a pro. Today we'll be using top-quality CARPRO products to achieve a spotless showroom finish. We'll begin with CARPRO Multi-X. Start by generously spraying CARPRO Multi-X onto the wheel well. This powerful cleaner is perfect for removing dirt and grime. Using a mitt, carefully wash the wheel well. Take your time to thoroughly clean every part. Next, we turn our attention to the tires with CARPRO Retire. This product is specifically designed to clean rubber material from accumulated contamination, old tire dressings, and antioxidants responsible for browning. Use a brush to thoroughly scrub the tire. Work the cleaner into the surface to remove all the grime and restore the tire's fresh, new look. Now, let's tackle the wheel itself with CARPRO Iron X. This pH-balanced formula safely breaks down ferrous metallic contamination caused by automotive brakes, rail travel, and construction. As Iron X works, you'll see it change color, turning a deep purple as it reacts with the iron contaminants. This visual indicator lets you know the product is doing its job. Next, we'll use a detailing brush to tackle narrow areas like the lug nuts and rim corners. These areas often trap dirt and require special attention. For those hard-to-reach areas inside the rim, use CARPRO Flat Spot. This tool is designed to get into every corner and tight space, ensuring no part of the wheel is overlooked. Carefully work CARPRO Flat Spot into the inner areas of the rim. Then, use the CARPRO Wheels Mitt to clean the entire surface of the rim. The soft mitt ensures a thorough clean without scratching the surface, giving you a pristine finish. Rinse off all the cleaning products thoroughly with water. Make sure no residue is left behind. Use a blower to blow out any remaining dirt and water from all the crevices. Finally, we apply CARPRO 𝙤𝙚𝙚𝙧 as a dressing on the tire. This product not only leaves a beautiful satin shine, but also offers self-cleaning, hydrophobic properties, as well as UV and chemical resistance. Apply CARPRO 𝙤𝙚𝙧 evenly across the tire. This will protect and enhance the appearance, giving your tires a fresh, new look that lasts. Make sure to cover the entire surface for an even finish. And there you have it, a perfectly clean and protected wheel that looks like it just came off the showroom floor. With CARPRO products, you can achieve professional results at home,